So if you do anything with HTML or web development or pretty much anything on the internet, you'll come to a circumstance in which you want to remove some HTML items from a body of text. You can see this body of text has P tags for paragraphs, H2 tags for headings. We have a link here to Google, strong that will bold the text here. So this is a typical body of text with lots of HTML tags, and if you want to remove these tags, then we have a function here called strip all HTML tags, which just got rid of all of our HTML tags, of course. Now, in more refined circumstances, you might want to just remove a certain tag, like we have a strong tag here, which will bold the text. And if you decided you didn't want any bold text, you can come up here and put the name of the HTML tag and run the function, and that will strip the tag X. This is our X. So that's going to remove here, and it's going to remove the closing end of the tag here. So let's run our function, and you can see now we've stripped the tag from our cluster of characters here. Now, in another circumstance, you might want to remove the tag and you want to remove what's in the tag. You can see our content here is 45 pounds as a text in our actual strong HTML tag. So we want to basically remove the whole thing here. And that will happen if, again, we put our item in the X cell here and we run the final function, which removed the tag and the items in the tag.